Hey, what's up, Charter fam? This video, we're just going to take a look at Pump.FUN, see if we can find a play today. Hey, what's up, Charter fam? Thanks for joining the show today. First off, I am not a financial advisor, just a lonely crypto bro who loves investing in different crypto projects. Do not invest in a crypto project that we may bring to the table, all right? Join our Telegram group, links in the description, where we find and share new crypto project info. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose, because this is crypto, baby. You'll go broke. Hope everybody's doing good out there. We got about 0.01 sold in our little bot type situation. What I'm about to look at is I got to figure out how to use that how to use the bot. They have a bot for Pump.FUN that you can get on, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to use that. But in the meantime, in between time, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel. All right, we're gonna be trying to find plays, but it's kind of hard. It's gonna be rough. So far, we're getting beat up in our challenge, our $5 to 5K challenge. We're kind of getting beat up just a little bit, but you know, I've been having some good luck on this Pump.FUN, and we're gonna see where it leads us. All right, so let's go ahead with this one right here. This is nigga cat, huh? Okay, you got jokes, all right. 84%. I don't like that chart. Looks like there's been some selling in the house. Market cap's about 27K. Virtual liquidity is about 22K. Let's take a look down here. Bonding curve is already kind of up there. Let's see, dev is about 3%. Taking a look at the community. It's a weird desire to just own this one. Wait until it gets listed. Appreciate you a real one if you're still holding your coins tomorrow at this time. You know, everybody wants you to hold, and they do. They make it seem like it's one big fucking community, but it's really not. People sell when they get ready to sell, bro. Everybody looks out for their own self. All that everybody hold, we're a big team. Let's keep it together. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna get my little cash and get on. Okay, so I don't like this one. Only because that bonding curve bar is up a little bit too much. Let's see who's king of the hill up here. See what they working with. Bonding curve's at 87%. I kind of like that chart. It looks like it's actively going up. So that's a cool one right here. I like it because it's actively going, but we're probably gonna miss it because I only have 0.01, so let's go ahead and see what we got here. Okay, good, it's coming. I just went back up. Let's see. Okay, so what we're gonna have to do, I'm gonna copy this address. Okay, and then we're gonna go to our HODL wallet, because our HODL wallet has all the action in it. Yeah. So we'll put the wallet address here. I don't really need max, but let me see. Max is 10, so let's just go 8. Let's just go 8. Next. Okay, send it. It's going fast too. It's 93, 92. This one's about to get sent over. We're gonna miss it. These are the best ones to find on Pump.FUN, is when they have a pretty good community down there. You look, you see how much the dev has, as long as the dev doesn't own too much, right, and all that good stuff. I mean, and you catch them there actively trading, like it's actively moving up and down. Them is the best ones, because you get in, get your money quick, and just get on. You know what I mean? Sometimes you can hold them, but what I've seen from holding is, you know, it gets crazy when it gets over the deck screener. Because for one, like my experience, you know what? I just go. We'll try to find another token. I'll run that for a different video. It is crazy trying to get these tokens on Pump.FUN. It's wild. Oh, look at that right here. That's crazy. All right, let's take a look at this one. See how this one's going. Bonding curve about 13%. I don't like that. See, that's already something I don't like. Okay, let's take a look down here. Dev is at about 6%. There's no socials or nothing like that, so we're gonna go ahead and rock out of this one. Now let's see what else we got going. Let's check on this other play really quick that we got in. Got another play we're in right now. Let's see. Okay. So let's see. What it is, you gotta just look around and kind of see which ones that you like. 21K, 73. Let's see what this is about right here. They got a website, Telegram, Twitter. The chart looks like it's pulled back some, 79% on the bonding curve. Dev is about almost 6%. Dev is active in the Telegram. Dev started VC in Telegram, join up. Devs are preparing decks. VC so bullish. I'm a G. Right. So, looks pretty good. I mean, let's see. We got 0. Hold on. Let me see something real quick. Let's check in pump. Okay, we got 1287 in pump. Okay, so we got 1287 in pump. We'll go ahead and hit confirm on that. And it seems like it's active. You know, the chart is kind of going crazy a little bit. Let's check out the website really quick. What does it say? Flake. I guess that's his name, Flake. Flake can actually take any color and just be as awesome. Red is cool, but green is much better. It's going to be a token contract, which you don't see too often. Kind of like that. It looks kind of nice. You know what I mean? Let's go ahead and drop. So let's see what happens. We'll go ahead and put 0.02. Okay. We got, once it comes up here, we hit confirm. We got to check on Timmy. That's one thing we do have to do. See how Timmy's doing today. You guys got to jump on that Timmy Creep Show. Not financial advice, of course. You guys do what you like, but you guys kind of go check it out. So that's actually actively going up. So let's hit sell right here. Put 100% here. We got 0.19724961 in here. Someone sold right here. Sometimes you just got to be patient. Sometimes these will run a day, 2 days. Sometimes when they're really, really active, I mean, it can go really, really quick. Let's see. So let's go ahead and check on Timmy. We're gonna pop that really quick. Hopefully we don't stop the video this time. Okay, let's go here. Dex. Let's go here. We'll go to Y. We're gonna check on Timmy Crypto. Timmy Crypto. All right, we are at about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 97.60. 33K is on liquidity. 119K on the volume. It's been flirting around that oh yeah, it went down some. Actually, it was flirting around that 100K mark for a minute or two. A couple people sold, probably swing trading or doing some. Well, I see it did come all the way up to that 115K mark, and they probably sold. Now we're at that 97K mark. Everybody hold. Not financial advice. Everybody hold. You know, check out that website. I don't know if you guys look at that website on Timmy. Just a little basic meme guy. You know what I mean? It's actually a meme after the guy Timmy Crypto or something like that on YouTube. You know, you guys check it out. You know, He's a good guy. Kind of watches videos. He kind of does Pump.FUN videos and things like that. I like that. I like that. This is going to be on the 1 second chart. Let's get a big overall view of what's going on. It's been out for a couple of days, so let's see. So this is going to be the 4 hour, looking pretty healthy. It's acting like it wants to drop down, but I've seen it kind of drop. And as soon as it drops, look at this wick right here. It wicked down all the way to the 41K mark, and it instantly got ate up all the way back to that, just about to the 96K mark. So, you know, let's check on the daily, see what the chart's looking like. So the chart's looking good at a nice run. It's kind of pulling back just a little bit. Still flirting around that 100K mark. It's at 97K right now, so no problem, Bob. We just keep an eye on that. That's Timmy. We just got to see what's going to go on with that. Right here kind of went up a little bit on the chart. You can take a look right here. Kind of went up a little bit. I like the reset. Hit that 100 and see it went up right here. So now we have 0.021006425 of souls. See, it goes up pretty fast. So we'll probably wait. Let me see if we can. Let's see, will it let us? It's gonna let us do it too. Wait, okay. Pull our rectangle out. If we can get somewhere, anywhere near my little area that I put up here, anywhere over here, probably gonna go ahead and get out. We're not even gonna wait. Yeah, we'll probably just get out. Let's check on the other play really fast. Makes you sign this. That's kind of good though, because it kind of takes your wallet off. So it's still the same right here. Someone sold. Looks like someone else just sold. But it's all good though, 100%. We're at 09.9. It actually went up just a little bit. So we're just going to wait it out, kind of see where it's at. 67%. I kind of like this one because we have a lot more of this bonding curve. Because if you can catch it, like I caught one the other day. It was way down here like 30-something% on the bonding curve. And it had a long ways to go. And I sold. It was actually like almost 90%. So that was a really good run right there. But yeah, we're just gonna have to keep our eyes on these plays. You guys let me know what you guys think about Pump.FUN down in the comments. Do you guys mess with this? Let me know what y'all think down there. Let me know.